Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use your Tonhub wallet very easily and very successfully on your mobile phone device. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Alright, as you can see, we have downloaded the Tonhub wallet right here, so you can either get a new wallet or say that you already have one, but you probably have to create a new one. This will be your backup key. Your backup key has to be saved on either a piece of paper, a screenshot, or anywhere saved that you have to remember to find later once you need it to renew your password or to enter the account from another device. Once you do that, create a PIN code and then confirm it. Remember that PIN code for later use and then enable Face ID or just don't do that. Once you're done with all the security measures, now you have your wallet right here. You have wallet 1, your balance, and all the currencies and the balances that you might be able to use. You have the more option, you have the browser, and you have the light and dark system that you might want to choose for your own phone. You have the products and you have all the history from all the transactions that you might have done. You can also receive any money from your wallet to this code right here. So you could just copy your wallet address, or if you want to send, then you can go ahead from the second option. Also, you can swap. So if you want to have a new recipient, you can do that. Also, when you go to the staking pools, you can see all the types of staking that you might be able to use for other different currencies or the one that you're already using for Ton or USDT. And finally, the browser section where you'll have all the extensions that you might need, all the Telegram, all the news and community that you might need for trading. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.